The future of payments, exploring India's digital rupee for retail. Introducing the digital rupee for retail, Indian Rupee, a cutting-edge digital version of the Indian rupee issued by the esteemed Reserve Bank of India, RBI. As a central bank digital currency, CBDC, it represents a digital form of fiat currency, firmly backed by the central bank. The Indian Rupee is specifically tailored for retail transactions, empowering seamless person-to-person (P2P) and person-to-merchant (P2M) payments. Functioning akin to physical cash, this digital currency excels in security and efficiency, propelling financial transactions into a new era. While still in its pilot phase, the Indian Rupee holds tremendous potential for widespread implementation in the future. The RBI envisions its adoption as a means to enhance financial inclusion, combat fraud, and bolster the overall efficiency of the payment system. Let's delve into some notable advantages of the digital rupee for retail. Enhanced security, offering a more secure payment method compared to physical cash. Improved efficiency, streamlining financial transactions with greater efficiency. Financial inclusion, facilitating access to financial services for all individuals. Fraud prevention, strengthening the payment system to mitigate fraudulent activities. The digital rupee for retail epitomizes a pioneering approach to modernize payment systems. With its potential to heighten efficiency and fortify security, this digital currency is poised to reshape the payment landscape. While still in the nascent stages of development, it is expected to witness widespread adoption in the near future. Now, let's explore some key features of the digital rupee for retail. Digital representation, the Indian Rupee exists as a digital token denoting legal tender. RBI issuance, it is exclusively issued by the Reserve Bank of India, backed by the Indian government. Versatile payments, suitable for both P2P and P2M transactions, catering to various retail needs. Enhanced security, offering greater security measures compared to physical cash. Improved efficiency, exceeding the efficiency of traditional cash transactions. Financial inclusion, playing a pivotal role in extending financial services to marginalized sections. Fraud mitigation, serving as a robust deterrent against fraudulent activities. The advent of the digital rupee for retail marks a significant milestone in the Indian payments ecosystem. With its potential to revolutionize payment methods and enhance the efficiency of the entire system, it ushers in a new era of financial transactions. Thanks for watching. God Kuber bless you with fame and wealth.